Most people get this wrong when they think about starting a company in Liechtenstein. They assume it is only for ultra-rich investors or secretive offshore setups. Here's the truth, no one tells you. It is actually a structured, highly regulated process that is accessible, but only if you follow the right steps from the beginning. In this video, I'll walk you through how to start a company in Liechtenstein in 2026, step by step. You'll understand the legal structure, setup process, costs, banking requirements, and the key mistakes that can slow everything down. Let's start with the basics. Liechtenstein is a small but highly developed financial center in Europe. It is known for strong asset protection laws, political stability, and strict compliance standards. It is often used for holding companies, family wealth structures, investment entities, and international business operations. Now here's where it gets interesting. The most common structure used is the Anstalt, or a private limited company equivalent. Most foreign entrepreneurs choose structures that allow flexibility while meeting regulatory requirements. For example, imagine Alex runs an international consulting business serving clients in Europe and the USA. Instead of operating informally, he sets up a Liechtenstein company to manage contracts, reduce legal risk, and structure global operations more efficiently. The first real step is choosing the legal structure with a licensed local trustee or formation agent. In Liechtenstein, you cannot usually set up a company alone as a foreigner. You need a regulated service provider who handles registration and compliance. But here's the problem. This is where most people fail. They think the process is just paperwork, but Liechtenstein has strict due diligence checks, including background verification and source of funds review. Next, you select a company name and define your business purpose. The authorities want clear and legitimate business activity. Vague or overly broad descriptions can delay approval. After that, you prepare documents. This usually includes passport copies, proof of address, a business plan, shareholder details, and financial background information. Depending on the structure, you may also need notarized documents. In a minute I'll show you the part that surprises most founders, and it is not incorporation. Once everything is reviewed, the company is registered with the public registry. This process can take several days to a few weeks depending on complexity and compliance checks. You will also need to contribute the required share capital depending on the structure you choose. Now let's talk about banking. This is often the most difficult step. Banks in Liechtenstein and the wider European region require strong documentation, clear business models, and proof of real economic activity. If your structure looks unclear or high risk, approval can take longer or be rejected. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Taxation in Liechtenstein is competitive but fully compliant with international standards. Corporate tax is generally moderate, but your overall tax exposure still depends on where you personally reside. Finally, ongoing compliance is critical. You will need annual reporting, accounting records, and proper corporate governance. Missing filings can lead to penalties or administrative issues. So, here's the bottom line. Starting a company in Liechtenstein in 2026 is very possible, but it is not a shortcut system. It is a regulated financial structure that rewards proper setup and long-term compliance. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe for more breakdowns, and comment below which country you want covered next.